In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record Minecraft with Xbox Game Bar. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Xbox Game Bar is an extremely convenient way of recording gameplay of any game, including Minecraft, because it is already included with Windows, and it has a ton of useful features, including recordings. So, to use it, press Windows plus G. This will open the Xbox Game Bar overlay, and you will see these options at the top. Now, if you don't see the recording options, then click on this little camera icon and you will open the capture window. You can pin it to the screen by clicking on this little icon, and now it is always going to be available here. You will also have audio and performance options, but these aren't important. Now, once you open the capture window, you will have four main options. You will have take screenshot, record last 30 seconds, start recording, and then mute or turn on and off your microphone while recording. You also have the option to see my captures. This will take you to the folder where your captures are stored, which I'm going to showcase later. So all that you have to do here is to press Windows plus G, like I said, and then click on the option to start recording. It might take a while, so just give it some seconds. After you click it once, just keep waiting and the recording will start. So you will see the capture status like this. You will be able to mute or unmute your microphone during the recording, and the overlay is always going to be present here so you know that your screen is being recorded. So now you can go ahead and do whatever it is that you wish. So let's say on this video I'm teaching someone how to craft an anvil. I can craft it over here, and now that it's done, I'm gonna end the recording. So I press Windows plus G again, and I click on the stop button. Now I'll see this message, game clip recorded. I can click on see my captures, and this will take me to the folder where the capture is stored. So it is right here. So you will see the date, so the 22nd, you will see the time, and you can open this video recording. So this is what we just did. The quality is actually very high. So you will see that I'm gonna back out of this menu and craft an anvil. So it is incredibly simple to use, and it's always going to be available. The overlay is going to be hidden in the recording, so you don't have to worry about that bothering you. This is what it looks like, and the video is now recorded. I can now post this, share it with my friends, and do whatever I wish. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.